Tinubu nominates for Nigerian Law Reform Commission (NLRC) for June 2025. Them nominate Dakas as Chairmo and Uchenna Okolocha plus Fatima Alkali as commissioners. But Fatima Alkali, where them nominates to represent Northeast, rejects the appointment and don't tell the presidency say she no do. Adeniyi Adegbomire, wey be the Chairmo of Senate Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters, talk say the committee check Dakas, wey be Senior Advocate of Nigeria (SAN) from North Central, and Uchenna Okolocha from South, and them see say them get the qualification, experience, sense and integrity for the work. The committee can recommend say make them replace Alkali with another woman from Northeast so that gender balance go dey.
The nominees appeared before the committee. The third one, Professor Fatima Alkali, turned down the appointment. The committee examined the curriculum vitae and other supporting documents and thereafter screened them. That the nominees are fit and proper persons for the appointment. General observation, paragraph 6. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, it should be stated that this committee wrote the Presidential Liaison Officer on National Assembly matters for the Senate and requested him to present the nominees for screening. However, the committee was informed that one of the nominees, Professor Fatima Alkali of the Northeast Political Region, declined the appointment and communicated same to the presidency. Recommendations, paragraph 7 at page 7. The Senate Committee on Judiciary, Legal Matters, Human Rights and Legal Matters has scrutinized the CV and other accompanying documents of the nominees and recommends as follows. 1. That the Senate do approve the confirmation of the nominations of Professor Dakas, C.J. Dakas, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, and Dr. Uchenna Eugene Okolocha for appointment as Chairman and full-time Commissioner of the Nigerian Reform Commission, respectively. 2. That the Senate do recommend to Mr. President that the female nominee who declined the nomination be replaced by another female in order to maintain fair gender representation.
Senate President Godswill Akpabio put the confirmation to voice vote and then confirm the nominees, except Alkali, who don't already reject the appointment.
Distinguished colleagues, will the Senate confirm the nomination of Dr. Uchenna Eugene Okolocha, representing South for appointment as Commissioner of the Nigerian Law Reform Commission? Those in favor say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The nomination of Dr. Uchenna Eugene Okolocha, representing the South region, is hereby confirmed as Commissioner of the Nigerian Law Reform Commission. Let me thank the Chairman of the Committee on Human Rights, Judiciary and Legal Matters for a job well done, and congratulate the Chairman and the Commissioner newly confirmed, and wish them a very, very fruitful service to their fatherland in good health and in sound mind.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, and so we dey talk am. We know they take blame, or he fame or no see more. TMC News.